I'm Mike Sizemore. I'm here to talk to you about one of the big 12 challenges facing our world today. And that challenge is getting rid of all this carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. How are we going to do that? We have to sequester it through plants. So I was talking to my dad the other day at home, and I was telling him, you know how we could do this? Let's grow a bunch of plants out in our backyard. But he said, no, we can't waste that space to live. We gotta use that space to play catch. And I was like, yeah, you're right. You know where we can do that? Up in the sky. And then I thought to myself, is that even possible? So I went to an expert and asked him if it was possible.
It is possible.
Okay, now that we know it's possible, let's have Chris explain to you the idea. Chris?
Thank you, Michael. Now, in order to show you what we're talking about, I'm going to need a representation of the world. That'll do. As you can see, this is just a crude model of what the world would look like. Now, we're going to need this sky garden to be right about here. And that's just about where it'll rest around the world. It's called the EcoBelt.
Now, we're going to need a water control system to make sure these plants get watered. There'll be water sensors in the soil taking readings to see if there's enough water there to water the plants. And if these water sensors drop too low, big long pipes will suck water out of the clouds below the ring, making sure that the plants grow to their normal height.
That's a great point, Mike. Not only is this diminishing the CO2 in the world's atmosphere, but it's also providing food for the world's population.
World saved.